What's up, big timers? Today we are unboxing the 2020 Hot Wheels e-case. I know it's a little bit late, but better late than never. Let's go ahead and unbox it. If you would like to pick up a 2020 Hot Wheels e-case, they are available at granitoys.com, so go check them out. The link is in the description box below. The treasure hunt for this case is the Batmobile, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Honda Crx. Hopefully we get one of those in this case. Let's go ahead and unbox it now. We'll take a look at the first cars on the top right here. So first ones we have, custom 2001 Acura Integra GSR, the 2018 Honda Civic Type R, and the Aisle Driver. Next up we have one car that I didn't get in my last case, surprisingly. So we have the 92 Ford Mustang, Art Cars one, very nice, and the Porsche 918 Spyder. This is one that I didn't get in my previous case for some reason. It just wasn't included. We have Fast Foodie as our next one. It's kind of like a donut racing car. It's pretty neat. All right, we'll put those aside. And up top here, we've got the Runway Rescue. We've got the new color variation of the Tesla Model 3. I really like this casting. So we got the gray color variation of that. And there's another Aisle Driver. We'll put those ones aside. And up top, three more cars. We've got Radical Racer, 2018 Honda Civic Type R, and the Batman Mobile, which I believe this one I don't think is the treasure hunt. Oh no, it is the treasure hunt, my bad. There we go. So there's your little treasure hunt logo right there. So that's the treasure hunt for the case. I'll put that one aside. And what we have up top here, we've got the 69 Chevelle tuned out variation. We've got the Fished and Chipped, and we've got the Baja truck. I really like this one. I think this one looks really neat. It's got the Hot Wheels logo and stuff all around it. That's a really cool casting. We'll have to open that one up in a future video. Next up, we've got La Fasta, another Tesla Model 3, and the 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback Gulf livery. And what else do we have? Custom Cadillac Fleetwood. Nice old Cadillac. There's another one, the Aston Martin Vulcans, and another 2016 Bugatti Chiron. Very nice. Can't get enough of those Bugattis. We've got the Cloak and Dagger. We've got the Diora 3, and another one of those 65 Mustang Fastbacks. And we've got the Forward Force Aston Martin Vulcan, and another Porsche 918 Spyder, so a few more doubles there. And what else do we have here? Ooh, we have one that I really like. There is the Geoterra Street Stealth, and this is one of my favorite castings that's been released in the past few years. The Range Rover Velar in black now. So we originally got this one in, what do we get it in? Silver, then we got the white one, and now we've got the Range Rover Velar in black. So we got all those nice spectrums of color variations. Next up, we've got the Alpine A110 Cup. We've got the 2018 Ford Mustang GT, and we've got the Audi Rs5 Coupe, new color variation. I like that. That one looks really cool, especially with those gray wheels. Very nice looking casting. All right, what do we have down here? We've got the Nissan Silvia S13. That's a really cool looking casting. Very nice, like the livery on the side of it as well. Tankinator, and there is the Honda CRX, the 88 CRX. That one looks like the mainline variation, not the super treasure hunt. That's right. All right, so maybe in the bottom we'll get the super treasure hunt variation. We'll see. Let's go ahead and get to the bottom right now. Pull this a bit forward here so you guys can see. Look, what do we have up top here first? So I dropped some cars. We've got the Geoterra, another one of those, another one of the Nissan Silvia S13s. And there is Manga Tuner. I think we saw that one in the previous case though as well. And we'll go grab some more up top here. We've got the Surf and Turf Manga Tuner, another one of those, and another Audi Rs5 Coupe. Love the casting. It's a really cool casting. Looking forward to opening those ones. We've got another 88 CRX, again, not the supercharged hunt variation. That's just the mainline variation. Forward Force and Tankinator. And the one that I dropped down right here was another Range Rover Velar. Cool. Okay, we got a couple of those ones. And we got another Bugatti Chiron. Awesome. Love the Bugattis. Surf and Turf, another one of those as well. What else do we have in here? 2018 Ford Mustang GT. Circle Tracker, and 49 Ford F1. All right. And go down even further here. Quick Bite, the ice cream truck. Rip Rod and Donut Drifter. Another Donut Drifter. All right, we'll put those ones down here. We got the 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup, the Mazda REPU, and the El Viento. What else do we have? Ford Ranger Raptor, the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. I love that casting. There is your Moto Wing as well, and another Alpine A110 Cup car. And custom Cadillac Fleetwood, Mazda REPU, another one of those pickup, and a Time a Taxi. And I believe this one will come as a Hot Wheels ID car in some of the cases as well. So check out the Time a Taxi Hot Wheels ID variation. What else do we have? We got another 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. We've got the Nerve Hammer and Beat All. Check out the neon coloring of the Beat All. That's interesting. Cool, cool. Getting down to the bottom here, we got the Aeropod 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup. And check that out. Just speaking of Hot Wheels IDs, we've got the Time a Taxi Hot Wheels ID. So we did get it in this case. There we go. Pretty cool looking. So you can see how it's all white, different packaging and stuff for this casting. And then on the bottom, you can see the little chip for the Hot Wheels ID. So nice collectible one. And last but definitely not least, the bottom of the barrel here, Speed Driver, Rip Rod, and Mod Rod new color variation. I love this casting, guys. I put this in my top 10 castings for 2019 releases. It's a really, really nice looking casting. Case highlights. I've picked 6 cars from this case and actually had a hard time picking only 6 because there's quite a few good cars in this case. But let's go ahead and take a look at the ones that I did pick. First off, I picked the Audi Rs5 Coupe new color variation and the new color variation of the Mod Rod. 2 good looking castings. Next, I picked the 88 Honda Crx. I think it looks fantastic in that white with the livery. And then of course, you guys know I love the Range Rover Velar, so the new black colored variation. And then I did pick the Tesla Model 3, new color variation for that one as well, and the Nissan Silvia S13. A couple of ones that are honorable mentions that I didn't actually pick, but I think are worth mentioning are these 3. I cannot believe we got 3 amazing hypercars in this case. The 2016 Bugatti Chiron, the Aston Martin Vulcan, and the Porsche 918 Spyder. The reason why I didn't put them in my top 6 though is because these are technically carryovers from previous cases, but fantastic case to get these ones included, plus all those highlight cars. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of the 2020 Hot Wheels e-case? And don't forget, if you guys want to pick one up, then you can check out granitoys.com, link in description below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.